Welcome to Simply Joy by Kristen. I'm Kristen, and I'm so glad you are here. I am going to go into my stash, pick a few things, and let my emotional artist have so much fun wrapping up the Christmas upcycles this year. So I am digging through my options and I choose this mug that was thrifted a while ago. I think I paid around $1 for it. And let's turn it into a cute little Christmas scene. I feel like this one has the Rudolph's, the Misfit Toys Island vibe to it. You'll have to let me know what you think of this one. If you want to know what I'm using for supplies, even though most are thrifted, a few are from this store, you can check my description below. And I would absolutely love if you would give me some hearts or even snowman in honor of the first snow. These are so precious. Did you check that little red sled was defective and bent up, but yet you can even use those things that most would put to the side. I absolutely love how this one turned out. What are your thoughts? Back to my basket of fun. I'm trying to decide what do I want to do next, and I chose these two cute little vintage tart tins. I pick them up all the time from the thrift store, and I'm going to create these whimsical, vintage, maybe kitschy vibe. I am so excited to hear what do you think. Are you for a pink Christmas? I have so much fun going through all my little itty bitty cute little decor. I mean, those vintage cream snowflakes are button covers. Like, how cute are they? I think I need to go back to the store and get more pink trees. What's your vote? Pink, yay or nay? Let's sneak one more in. I have been wanting to try the little bottle brush trees in salt and pepper shakers for the longest time. And so today is the day. I wanted to use the DIY frosting. And so my solution to get it down in there was to kind of create like an icing bag with a Ziploc bag. Now I'm going to show you, like, I'm struggling here. I learned that you have to commit. Once you put it down, you cannot mess around with it because otherwise you get it all over the glass, and I was trying to clean it up. But they still turned out cute. I love that I got to use my grandma's lace and some beautiful green thread that I've been, I guess, holding on in my stash. Like, it was just too cute not to buy at the thrift store. But here they are. I love them. They're so sweet. They're so simple. And I can check it off on my list of trying. here's the collection. I absolutely love how they turned out, and they are just the sweetest, and they make my Christmas heart so happy. Hello, friend. I'm just so glad you are here. Maybe you noticed in the intro it was snowing outside, so I can't sit on my little chair out there and talk to you, do the little Kristen chat. So here we are, we're inside. I'm gonna tell you, this video is close. It's like, what can Kristen create in an afternoon, right? I, honest to goodness, thought with the craft shows wrapping up at the beginning of December, I was going to have more time. Anyone else like that, where you're like, oh, yay, whew, I'm done with the crafting season? Because I've learned from past years, it's better to have it done a little earlier. But I think what happened is that I put other things off, and so now it's me trying to get it all together. Are you one of those too? Let's chat about these cuties. I absolutely love them. They were my plan to do them for Debbie's Design Diaries Thrift Giving, I think is Thrift Christmas Giving. I don't know. Anyways, I totally missed the challenge. But I wanted to create these all season. I absolutely love them. It's something that I always put off, but I seem to never get to. So it was just a fun way to wrap up the upcycles season. You know, it's kind of like the bow on my Christmas present. So the bow on my Christmas upcycles. Now, did I leave some half done? Absolutely. I have some from Facebook Lives that not done. I have others that were going to be done in videos. Didn't get them done. I had ideas I didn't get to. Yep. I have a laundry list, but you know what? That's okay. That's okay. I need to wrap this season up. I need to wrap it up because I need to focus on family and just enjoying it. We went to Christmas lights the other night. I'm going to give you a quick snippet of it. Aren't they beautiful? I love that house that has all the vintage ones. It just makes my heart so happy. Okay, a few final thoughts. Number one, it was so helpful to have areas that I could go grab things. So you saw my cute little basket of random things. Most everything that I put in the basket was on a shelf of little items, little holders. And so I just went and I took from there. Second, I had the containers with all of those cute little things that I used to put in the containers. I'm going to show you a picture of that. And then I only bought the trees for this, and I bought something else that I didn't end up getting to, but it's okay because as you can see, I am getting better at organizing my wonderful creative stash and using like those cute little deer. I've been hanging on to them and waiting for the perfect upcycle, and I think the pink trees with them. Yeah, who knows? I might be babysitting one of them. Most likely, they're going to just go into a container for next year. But my friend Cindy from Spark of Vintage was so smart. She priced things and then put them away. So we'll see if I'm Cindy smart. Next, I've been trying to think of goals for my 2025. So you'll probably hear more in the videos to come, but I really want to work on being proactive instead of reactive. I feel like a lot of seasons have been more reactive. Even though I've been really trying to be proactive, life just has happened. So I think I want to be even more proactive. Not sure what that looks like, but we're going to work on that. 2025 is a great place to start, right? I'm breaking in on my video because I'm realizing I forgot a couple of things. One, I am so excited about my goals for 2025, but I'm also so excited to get back to organizing, and I'm going to take you along with me. So in 2024, I spent a good month, a little over a month, I think mid-January to, it might have been almost end of February, reorganizing. And I cannot wait to show you what worked, what didn't, and try to come up with more effective ways to be organizing and wiser when it comes to thrifting. Okay, now back to what I was saying. This might be my last video of 2025 besides my little December journals. The one for this week is coming out tomorrow. Just a little late. I think I just have the voiceover left on it, but you know what? We're getting there. We're making it. It's the holiday season. We're giving ourselves some grace, right? But I want to thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's unreal. I think, was it July or August that I just took a dive and decided to come out here to the YouTube world, and you are all so wonderful, and I'm so thankful for you, and I'm so excited that you are on this adventure with me, and I am looking forward to spending 2025 with you. Merry Christmas.